Hey guys, recently I have an idea of a simple blowback rubber band gun mechanism. So I built this gun as a proof of concept. I make it with a cereal box, some printing paper, some popsicle stick and some toothpick. And no, I haven't created a template yet, so I just built it according to these rough sketches. Then I just use super glue and hot melt glue to glue them together. Anyway, let me just clean up the table and show you how it works. Okay, it has a working trigger and working slide. Now let's load the rubber band and show you how it should. First, I have to pull the slide back, then hook the rubber band to the chamber, then stretch it to the front. After that, pull the slide back. The trigger will catch it there. Pull the trigger and you will have a nice blowback action while shooting the rubber band out. Okay, now let's look at the blowback action in slow motion. Okay, now I'm going to disassemble the slide to show you the mechanism inside. It is held together by two sections of toothpicks. Just push them out with another toothpick like so. As you can see, the internal structure is built by A4 paper tube, which I roll it into desirable diameters. Between the barrel and the slide is a single strand of rubber band. It enables the slide to slide back to its original position. Now here is the trigger mechanism. When the trigger is pulled, this small tab on top here will move away like so. The tab is actually a slide stopper. It will stop the slide here from sliding back. Okay, now let's load the gun with a rubber band. First, hook the rubber band at the small tab at the end of the barrel, there. And then stretch it across to the front of the slide. This rubber band will be shot out and at the same time will cause the blowback action. The trigger mechanism will actually stop the slide at the piece of popsicle stick there. And when the trigger is pulled, the slide will be released and the momentum of the slide moving backward will push the rubber band away from the small catch at the end of the barrel and release the rubber band. Let's look at the slow motion video of the blowback action one more time. Okay, that is it. Now let's shoot some target with it.